Hello YouTube friends, I got a delivery today, so I wanted to share it with you, and this is something that I don't have any of, and so I thought I would check out the brand. So I want to say happy holidays to everyone. I know we're all so busy. I missed a whole week of filming anything, and that's okay. I need to take a break every now and again. And no one can keep getting unboxing after unboxings. It's very expensive. I don't need any more bags, so I'm trying to limit it. So you might find some different types of videos on here occasionally. I'll have like a what's in my bag or an update on a bag or something. So I hope you're still enjoying those, and thank you again for your support. So this came from Nordstrom Rack, and I have it flipped over upside down because it has my name on the front. But it was upside down, so they had the paper on top of it. And there it is. It is the Longchamp Pliage large backpack, and the color is Storm. And here it says on here the color is graphite, which is kind of interesting. But here it says Storm. So I don't know. Anyway, it is a dark gray, and I'm very excited. I wanted to try this brand for a long time, but I just was not real thrilled about their tote bags, the way they look. They look like they would get lots of corner wear to me. So I thought I would try a backpack, because I do use backpacks on occasion for work, and I wanted something that was going to hold up and also be water resistant, and this one apparently is. So it's all folded up here. I have no idea how they have this folded. Let's see. It's like a puzzle. I'm very bad at puzzles, so bear with me. It's got the leather, and then it's got the webbing straps. That's nice. And then you can apparently fold this up again and snap it here with a little snap that's on the back. This is the original or the classic style. And they have one that's I think it's called a sport style, that has like a matching leather to the body of the bag. And then they also have, I think, a couple other styles, something like a green line or something. So let me get this off of here, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I got it all unwrapped. Boy, those straps were wrapped to the hilt, and then the one that they came through here, it was kind of stuck. If I could sing, I'd be singing that song, and I am telling you, I'm not going, because that's what this was. It's just like, so it was wrapped very well. And then on the back here, you have the Longchamp logo here, and then it just says La Pliage Sac à dos. I don't know. Can't read it very well, but it's got some French there. My 3 years of French are not helping me this morning. And then you've got the Longchamp logo and a little gold snap there with the Longchamp logo again. It's really nice quality leather. I was thinking it was going to feel really cheap, like bonded leather or something, but I really like the looks of this backpack. It was really cute with the little top handle and then the brown straps. It's just very understated, but really cute. And the snap has a little tab here that it attaches to, and that's leather as well. But the leather is really beautiful quality. It's really soft on the inside, really nice suede inside. It is really nice. I like this. So you not only have that little snap to close it, but you've got the zipper, and the zipper pull is kind of tucked in here, but you've got the Longchamp logo on that as well. Very pretty. And then it zips around, nice zipper. And then it's like plastic lined, so it's waterproof, which is great. That's what I wanted, something I could wear in any weather, and that would hold all my stuff. So in the front here, you have a front little slip pocket. Let me see if a phone would fit in there, and you've got the Longchamp care booklet in here. Now, if you're looking for good prices on these items, I would check out Nordstrom Rack, because they had a whole lot of these. They have like every different kind, totes, backpacks, all that stuff, smaller bags, and they had pretty good prices. So this one I think originally is like $145, which is not bad at all in the first place, but I think I got it for like $84 or something, and they do go on sale. So this would actually fit my phone case here, and then you've got another slip pocket on the back. Let's see, it looks to be about the same size. Yeah, same size. Fits my phone very easily. You got a little tag here. It says Longchamp Paris, made in China. Like everything else. Now this is the large size, but it doesn't feel large to me at all. So let me get the measurements here. See if I can do it. This is kind of hard to measure. Okay, it's 14 inches tall, and width-wise it is 11.5. Yep, that's what it stated. And then the depth of it, excuse my hands, I hit the toaster oven with both of them. It is 6.5 inches deep. So let me see if things would fit in it for work. So I'm using my MacBook Pro here as a demonstration, but it's about 14 inches. Oh yeah, that would fit in nicely. Look at that. I didn't think it would, because it looked kind of small. It's very lightweight too. And then say a Coach notebook, and say a Coach glasses case. Look how much room you have in there still. I can easily put my lunch in there. Look at that. That's great. So I've got everything I need. Let me zip it up, see if it zips up easily. I like this pull, it's really pretty. Nice. The fabric on the nylon is nice. It's kind of matte. I know some of them look almost silky that I've seen, and I didn't want that. I want something very understated. They do recommend folding this up when you're not using it, because it does, well, obviously it saves space, which is great for me, but it'll help keep it nice. And then the top of it kind of poofs up a little bit, so you have even extra room there. But this is what it looks like filled with just those things. Nothing fancy. And then you've got the little snap on the back so you can fold it back up again. And the straps are cotton webbing. They feel very substantial, like they're going to really last a long time. I like that they're cotton and not polyester. So, and then the handle is stitched nicely so you can hold it by that. I do like this very much. This is a cute little backpack. And I like the contrast of the gray with the brown. I'm glad I got the large, because the laptop fits very easily in this, with probably about 2 more inches on top where I could have something even a little bit taller. So I think I wouldn't go much above a 14-inch laptop. But I'm curious to see how well it'll hold up. I know that the corners on these are always an issue. They get kind of worn. But apparently you can send any of their bags back to Longchamp once for repair. So we'll see how those corners hold up. But I think on a backpack it's going to be a lot easier to keep them nice than on a tote bag that you're kind of setting down and dragging around. So I'm impressed with this so far. I will come back later on to let you know how it worked out and how it held up. But it seems like it is very well made. And again, this is a brand I have not bought anything from. And it's been on my radar for years, but just the tote bags didn't look that interesting to me, but I do like the looks of this backpack. The straps are adjustable, and they're a little bit hard and fiddly to adjust because it's so, these are plastic, but the cotton webbing doesn't glide really easily, but once you get it going, it's fine. And they're double stitched. So I think this will hold up very nicely. I'm really impressed by it, and it'll be great. I could wear it in the rain, hopefully, and it won't get ruined. But I do like the feeling of that leather. If you get a chance to see these out in the wild, go and feel the leather. It looks like it would just be kind of cross-grain, almost bonded leather, but it's not. It's a really nice piece of hide. So, and then they do like a cross-grain pattern on the front with the finish, but it's very nice. Pretty thick. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if I don't talk to you before then, have a wonderful holiday and a happy new year. Until next time.